Next question number 3, I will explain it from here because little bit lengthy question. Okay, so Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper as shown in figure. Find the total area of the paper used. So this is the figure which is given in the question. So we have to find out the total area of the paper, means we have to find out the total area of this figure. Okay, so how can we find the total area? Here, for the triangle marked 1, some triangles are marked here, correct? So this is 1, again this is 2, next this is, actually this is not triangle, the first one is triangle and second one is rectangle and third one is trapezium, correct? So we have to find the area separately. Okay, so for the triangle marked first, this, for this triangle, a is equal to 5 meter, b is equal to, how can we find b? All the sides, means a, b, these two sides are equal, correct? So we can take first side is equal to 5 meter, second side is equal to, sorry, 5 centimeter, second side is equal to 5 centimeter, and third side c is equal to, this is equal to, here it is 1 centimeter, so the opposite side of this rectangle should be equal to 1 centimeter, so third side is equal to 1 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, both have same side. So 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So A can take it as A, B, C. So we can calculate it by using Heron's formula, right? S is equal to A plus 5 plus 5 plus 1 divided by 2. We will get 5.5. Next, area of triangle, we can use Heron's formula, root of this S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Normal calculation, we will get the answer is equal to 2.5 centimeter square. Now we got area of this triangle, right? Next, for the rectangle marked in second, here we are going to calculate the area of rectangle. Okay, so length and breadth which are given here 1 centimeter and here it is 6.5 centimeter, which is given in the question itself. Okay, so we can find out easily, we can find out this rectangle area. So area of rectangle is equal to, what is the equation? Length into breadth. Length and breadth are given here. Length is equal to 6.5 and breadth is equal to 1. So 6.5 into 1, which is equal to 6.5 centimeter. So these two over. Triangle over, rectangle over. Next, for trapezium. This is the trapezium, third part of this figure. So I am going to find out area of trapezium. Okay, so for the trapezium marked in third level, we have to, I am redrawing this figure one more time. Only trapezium I am drawing. Okay, after that we have to draw one perpendicular line from here. I will show you how to do it. This is the redraw trapezium I drawn here. So I marked it as A, B, C, D. Okay, so from this point A, I draw one perpendicular line. Okay, so for the trapezium, we draw first AF. This line should be parallel to this side. AF is parallel to DC. I drawn here. AF is parallel to DC. Next, AE is perpendicular to BC. So I drawn two lines for the calculation. AE perpendicular to BC, AF parallel to DC. Okay, so we can write easily, we can write AD is equal to what? AD is equal to 1 centimeter, which is given in the question. So it should be equal to this FC also, correct? AD and FC should be equal to 1 centimeter because these two are parallel lines, correct? So in between two parallel lines, again we draw two parallel lines. It should, both should be equal. So we can write AD is equal to FC is equal to, from here to here, 1 centimeter, again DC 1 centimeter. So AF also it is parallel. So AF also we can write it as 1 centimeter. Again BF from here to here. FC we have here 1 centimeter, we done here. Total it is 2 centimeter, which is given in the question. From here to here it is 2 centimeter. So how can we calculate here? Total 2 minus this FC, correct? So 2 minus 1, we will get BF. This length is equal to 1 centimeter. Next I am taking triangle ABF. This is the triangle I am taking now. Okay, so in this triangle we can take also E is the midpoint of BF, right? So this is the midpoint of BF because we draw one perpendicular line here. So in triangle ABF, E is the midpoint of line BF. So we can write here BE from here to here is equal to half centimeter. Total here to here it is 1. So it should be half, and EF also should be half. BE is equal to half centimeter. EF also is equal to half. So I written here BE is equal to half centimeter. That means 0.5 centimeter, right? Also AB square is equal to, by applying Pythagoras theorem, we can write here it is 90 degrees. So it is hypotenuse. So AB square is equal to this AE square plus BE square, applying Pythagoras theorem. So we can find AE. AE square is equal to this AB is equal to 1, correct? So AB square 1 square minus 0.5 square, we will get AE square is equal to 0.75. So we will get here AE is equal to 0.9 centimeter. So 1 square minus 0.5, B is 0.5. 0.5 square, we will get AE square is equal to 0.75. So we will get AE is equal to 0.9, approximately equal to, not exact equal to. Okay, so we are writing approximately equal to 0.9 centimeter. Now we got this perpendicular distance. Okay, distance also. Okay, so next I am calculating area of trapezium. How can we calculate this area of trapezium? What is the equation? Half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them, correct? So sum of half I written here, sum of parallel sides. Which are the parallel sides? BC and AD are the parallel sides. So sum of these two means BC plus AD into distance between them means this perpendicular distance AE. That is why AE we calculated here. Okay, so BC plus AD we will get here BC 2, AD 1. So 2 plus 1 into perpendicular distance, we got it here AE, that is 0.9. Normal calculation, we will get the answer is equal to 1.4 centimeter square. So now we calculated trapezium third part area, which is equal to 1.4 centimeter square. Okay, next actually we have to calculate for the triangle marked 4 and next is 5. So here it is, we are going to calculate what are the triangles. Here we marked 2 triangles are here, correct? So these 2 triangles we have to calculate. This done, this one done, trapezium done. Next we have to calculate area of these 2 triangles. So for this triangle we can apply the equation half into BH. Okay, area of triangle I am calculating. So half into BH we can apply here. Half into base is equal to 6 centimeter, or height is equal to 6 centimeter, and the base is equal to 1.5 centimeter, because here it is 1.5. So this one you can take it as base, this one you can take it as height. So 1.5 into 6 centimeter, we will get area of this triangle is equal to half into this 1.5 into 6 centimeter. We will get the answer is equal to 4.5 centimeter square. Now we got one triangle area. Next triangle area, for the triangle marked it as 5. Next triangle area, this triangle is congruent to the triangle marked just before we calculated, right? So this also is, these two triangles are congruent. So if we are calculated this triangle area, it should be equal to this triangle area. So this triangle area we can write without any calculation. In the previous calculation it is 4.5, so we can write it as 4.5. okay, so easily we can find. So we can write here area of the fifth one also equal to just like fourth one, so it is 4.5. So if we want to calculate the total area of this figure, how can we calculate? Area of this triangle plus area of rectangle plus area of trapezium plus area of fourth triangle plus area of fifth triangle. So if we should add all these areas, we will get the answer. So adding all these areas, we will get the final answer here.